The mobile learning lab is a fun one. We were approached by North Fort Bend Water Authority to revamp this trailer that they had some exhibits in. And we spent months concepting first, and then we stripped the inside of that thing, and we built out this really amazing contained experience in this, I think it's a 17-foot long trailer, and it is packed with interactives. It's essentially a whole science exhibit from a museum in a box. The experiences inside, we love wheel-based interactives because there's something that happens to your brain when you touch a thing and move it, and then something else happens. It gets your gears going. So there's several of those kinds of interactives throughout. As you get to the back of the trailer, there's this really amazing pump interactive, and the whole back wall of the trailer lights up, and it tells this story about where the water's traveling, how it's getting where, and then there's 5 or 6 screens that have little animations on it, and the fact that stuff happens when you're touching these objects, I think really helps drive the educational part of it home. And then as you walk back from the back of the trailer, there's 2 more really kind of more fun experiences that we've developed in-house that we really love. The first one is, it's literally a Whac-a-Mole. Essentially, we built it the same way that they did the traditional one, but we just shrunk it down. We used a lot of 3D printed parts, some off-the-shelf buttons to make a robust yet pretty economical and super fun interactive. And then the last element is the scarf blower, which is installed on the ceiling of the entire trailer. And there's 2 paths that it can go, and you press the button and the motor turns on, the blower turns on, and the scarf goes flying around. And you watch it go throughout the whole trailer, and you want to try to track it. And I think it's different from how especially children interact with screens. There's this tactile element. They influence this thing to happen. And then I think that creates this kind of really fun, joyous moment. And just watching, my son play with it was like a revelation. Lo and behold, it creates joy. North Fort Bend Water Authority is going to be taking this trailer to all their events. They do a lot of outreach with local schools. So this will be parked out there for, primarily elementary school age. We'll come and experience this thing and hopefully walk away with not only a fun memory, but also hopefully some amount of takeaway of understanding where their water comes from, why conservation matters, and why we all have to do a little bit to make it work for everyone. That message sticks longer and has a better impact when we can pair it with an experience that is unforgettable.